Once upon a time, in a vibrant little village on the sunny coast of Jamaica, there lived a woman named Millie. She was known far and wide for her warm smile, her gentle spirit, and her love for the island's music and lush green hills. Every morning, Millie would walk down to the market, her basket filled with fresh mangoes and ripe bananas, humming a joyful tune as she went. One bright afternoon, while she was sitting by the river, enjoying the cool breeze and the sound of the reggae drums in the distance, she saw a man named Henry. Henry was a kind-hearted man from Kingston, visiting the village for a little getaway. He was a musician, with a guitar slung over his shoulder, and his eyes sparkled with stories of the city and the sea. As Henry strolled past, he heard Millie humming a familiar tune. Curious, he approached her and asked, "Me dear, what song are you singing?" Millie smiled warmly and replied, "It's a little song from my heart, about love and life here in Jamaica." Henry's face lit up, and he pulled out his guitar. Together, they started to sing, a beautiful blend of his soulful voice and her melodic hum. From that moment, their days became filled with laughter, music, and shared stories. Henry would play his guitar, and Millie would dance barefoot in the grass, their hearts connecting in a way that felt as natural as the waves crashing on the shore. They discovered that love, like the island's sunshine, was warm and bright, shining through their gentle smiles and kind words. And so, in that little Jamaican village, under the endless blue sky, Millie and Henry's love blossomed, simple, genuine, and full of joy, a perfect harmony of two souls finding happiness in each other's company, surrounded by the beauty of their island home.